What is up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. It's not a good day today, so I'm just gonna probably do these dishes. And I don't even know if this one's gonna go up because I didn't even get yesterday's up yet. Today is just it's just a rough day. Let's just say that. So. Alright, my new video literally just went live for Vlogmas Day 9 yesterday? Yeah. We're gonna open really quick day 4 of the Advent Calendar for Lights Lacquer. And we're only gonna paint like 2 nails because I still have on yesterday's nail polish. 2 reasons. 1, like I mentioned a couple times, this is just a crap day. 2, I was taking it off, I really was gonna take them all off, but the fact that this day 2 glitter, or the nail polish, it's got like almost chunks of glitter in it, and it wasn't really coming off. So anyways, day 4. Ooh, it's called Ugly Sweater, but this is a really pretty plum purple color. I always say it's a really pretty color, but this is a nice, deep, rich plum color. So far, I've been enjoying the Advent Calendar. Ooh, I am so glad because I don't have anything like this in my collection. That's a really delicious plum color. Ooh, I wonder what it would look like going over that. Oh, wow. So there we are with the purplish color, or like the plummy purple, if it'll focus. I'm trying to get it. There we go. And look, it covered the other ones, because here's yesterday's. This autofocus, you guys, is just awful. So here's yesterday. It's chipping already a little bit, but that's not, I mean, that's okay. But then here is today's, and it went over that. For dinner, we are making this Firecracker Meatball with roasted green beans and jasmine rice. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to actually catch it all. But it says bust out 2 large bowls, a small pot, baking sheet, kosher salt, black pepper, and vegetable oil.
Come on, girls! Oh, it's myself too. Come on, get it going, get it going. Ooh, wait. Come on.
Alright, so here we are going to be unbagging the ingredients needed for the Firecracker Meatballs with roasted green beans and jasmine rice. This is going to be for 2 servings, so you need 2 scallions, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, 10 ounces of green beef, 6 ounces of green beans, a thumb of ginger, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of jasmine rice, 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and a teaspoon of Korean chili flakes. Now you want to go ahead and set your oven, preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and then you're going to thinly slice your scallions, separating the green from the white. Go ahead and peel your ginger, and then you're going to mince it, and if you don't have a mincer, go ahead and just super finely chop it. And in a separate bowl, you're going to add your mayonnaise, the sour cream, your honey, the rest of the soy sauce, a little bit of sriracha, and, you know, depending on how much you would like, salt and pepper, and then go ahead and mix that up. And I ended up adding a little bit extra sriracha and soy sauce per taste. My dog is barking in the background. And you want to go ahead and grab your pot of water. Now, depending on your directions of your rice, for my half a cup of rice, it is 3/4 cups of water to the half a cup of rice. And then you want to salt it a little bit. And now in a completely different bowl, you're going to add your pound of ground beef. Actually, it's not even a pound, it's 10 ounces. Wow. And then your 4th cup of panko breadcrumbs, your ginger that we minced, the white scallions, and then the rest of the soy sauce. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then go ahead and just give that a little bit of mix. And then you're going to form roughly about 10 to 12 meatballs. And I will catch you guys when we throw it in the oven. I'm just gonna do an outro because I don't think I'm even gonna cook. I don't even know if this is gonna go up. So if you guys are excited, I don't even know how to do my outro. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you're enjoying my videos and you want to binge watch or you missed any of the other Vlogmases, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you all to every single one of you for watching my videos, even though I'm going to continue making videos, I just don't know about Vlogmas. So thank you to everybody who has been enjoying Vlogmas so far, but we'll see what tomorrow comes. We'll see what tomorrow brings, because this day was a disaster. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I will see you in my next video. Bye.